అలాగే ఎస్కేఎన్ గారికి స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాం. Hi Mr. Daniel and hearty congratulations to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So requesting you to please speak a few words.
Hyderabad. Thank you so much for your welcome. I love you all. You've been amazing since I've got here, but I want to thank these guys, starting with Paranjit, Parvati, Malavika, and of course, Vikram, my brother. I couldn't have done this film without these guys. And Mr. Raja Ganaraja, thank you so much for bringing me over and the money to make the film. But thank you guys. I love you all. You guys are in for a treat. This is going to be an amazing movie. August 15th, be there and experience something amazing, okay? I love you. Wow.
Thank you so much. And one second. May we request you to speak a few lines in Telugu too?
Oh, go on then. Tell me. Go on. Tell me.
Andaru baagunnara.
Sorry?
Andaru baagunnara.
Andaru baagara.
Got it. You got it. Meeru.
Huh?
Meeru.
Meer.
Tappakunda. Tappakunda.
Takabunda. Huh? E.
Cinemani. August 15.
August
15. Chudali. And one more last line, which will set it all. Ikkada unde
ude
ammayillo
ambariyo
sumane andanga undi. Andamga undi. Undi. Yeah, thank you. ఇంటికెళ్తానా? ఓరి నాయనో. రాజా మా అన్నయ్య రాఖీ వస్తుంది. అన్నయ్య సన్నిధి అదే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. స్టాక్ చాలా పెట్టుకున్నాడు ఆయన దగ్గర. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఇవ్వచ్చు, అక్కడ ఒకటి.